this video, I'm going to show you how to add products to Shopify. But before I begin, I can offer Shopify your first month for only $1. So you don't have to pay $37, you only pay 1 month. So if you want that, link in the description. So if this is your first time creating a Shopify store, you have to go to the left side, click on products. If you don't have a product yet, this is how the product page will look like. So all you have to do is click on add product. Title of the product, so let's say t-shirt. Here you explain the t-shirt. Here you add t-shirt images, how much it will cost. If you want to add as a discount, you can do this. Cost per item, you don't need to do here anything. Track quantity depends. If you have your own quantity, then you can track it. If you use some third-party app, this will be done automatically. How much does it weigh? And if you have some variants like size and let's say medium, for example, and then you would click done. Top right, click on save, and let's see how this looks like. So if you want to see, click on preview right over here. This is it, the t-shirt. It used to be 400 euros, now it's 123. It's sold out because I didn't put any quantity here. So if I were to adjust it a little bit, save it, go to preview once again, as you can see, it takes time a bit to refresh it, like a few minutes or seconds, but this is it. Thank you for this video. Enjoy it, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and if you're interested in the offer for the Shopify, click the link in the description.